Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this LED strip light. I know it's a cheap product. Well, it's available everywhere and anyways, let's just try unboxing it. We have some car images and TV images. Let's just go. Take almost anywhere. Alright, I got this for cheap setup. I can use it as my gaming setup and cover it up, right? It's really nice. It includes a cover, and let's go unbox it. So it says that 3 feet water and dust resistance tip. Oh my god, with adhesive back, 16 colors. Okay, that's all nice. Car, bedroom. Okay, I'm gonna stick it in my gaming setup, so it'll be really cool. Alright, let's open it up. When we open it up, it has nothing else inside the box. It's just this Ziploc kind of silver thing. So let's keep the box away for now, and maybe read it back if we need the instructions. I don't think we do, because we have instruction box with it, which is included. An instruction paper. So alright, so this is the main thing itself. It is connected with USB. So I guess I can stick it with my computer screen and it'll be fine. And I have this cool remote right here. So I think the battery is included because we have the pull strap right here. I'm not gonna pull it for right now, but let's wait for it. Let's quickly have a glance on the manual that is included. So let's just keep the plastics away as we always do. And it's the remote control. It has 6 functions, 9 functions, I guess. Alright, it's pretty good, guys. See, you have flash, fade, smooth, and some other features. You have on, off. You can turn it on. You can also increase the brightness, decrease the brightness. You have red, green, and blue, and you can just customize all the colors. So it's really amazing. I'm kind of impressed for what it is, and the boxing was really tiny. See, it's my hand size, and my hand is basically normal size. I'm not giant or something. Alright, it is included in a strip like that. Let's peel it off. Hope we do it gently because it goes in the electronic section. Alright, let's peel it off, and I'll be right back. I need to think where I should install this thing. I'm yet not sure. I'm still not sure yet. A grammar mistake that I just corrected. Alright, so let's just remove the LED light. Rolling it off is really nice. It is satisfying. It is pretty long and well packed, because it doesn't come off. It doesn't peel off really easily. It is well packed, and so as it was mentioned, it has adhesive behind, and it is water and dust resistant, so you can put it in your tub for the ambient bath. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Make sure you share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram so that you'll receive the latest video updates before it is uploaded on YouTube. Thanks for watching.